And this is Priya and you're watching Priya Preetiti. Today I'm going to show you a painting with coffee. It will be quite interesting, and this is the first time where I'm going to make a painting with the coffee. So let's get started.
It's getting harder, you turn my heart up, throw me in water. I'm getting higher, just to feel ya, cause I need to. No one knows it, heart is frozen from your poison. Taking the potion, just to feel ya, cause I miss you. Oh my God, can't stop you like heroin. My love you got, there's no settlement. I can't pretend that we're not meant. Oh, I think I'm overdosing. I think that I'm overdosing. I think that I'm overdosing. I think I'm overdosing. It's getting stronger, can't take no longer. Walking the fire. I'm getting higher, just to feel ya, cause I need to. Feels like I'm burning a little bit more, just a little bit more now. Taking the potion, just to feel ya, cause I need ya. Oh my God, can't stop you like heroin. My love you got, there's no settlement. I can't pretend that we're not meant. Oh, I think I'm overdosing. 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 It's getting stronger. I think I'm overdosing. I think I'm overdosing. 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 I think I'm overdosing. I think I'm overdosing.
So here I'm not going to add any little bit of sugar just because, and will organize a party on your paper.
Baby, this is do or die. Feel it in my veins tonight. Emotional suicide. You know it's an eye for eye.
So yes, the reason behind of to make the coffee painting is coffee was expired. So yeah, and I will not going to waste any little bit of coffee. So that's why I have doing this. So I have just boiled the coffee before the painting, and I got so many shades. I will use 3 different shapes of brushes and brush through 300 GSM paper and tissue also.
There you will see what you made of me. Found my inner peace. You are release in the dead of night. In the dead of night. you can save your alibi. I already know you lied. Oh no, no, don't even try. Watch the flame in me ignite. You didn't wanna